What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the new Canva elements, the 3D elements, in a very simple, fast and effective way. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. This tutorial works if you are using the Canva website, the web app, the Windows app or the mobile app, okay? So all you have to do first is locate your design, create in the size that you wish. Then review the left sidebar of menus. We have design, elements, text. Click on elements. And right here you're going to be able to find a couple of options. Right here on browse categories, we have now categories of elements. We have shapes, graphics, 3D, stickers, photos, frames, grids, videos, audio, forms, markups, charts, sheets and tables. Okay, so we want the 3D elements. It's a very nice to play with 3D elements, and right here we have a list full of 3D elements, and of course we can search right here for the element. Let me show you one example, this one right here. It takes a moment to be added on your design, and if you click you can simply move it into the position that you wish. And this is just perfect because sometimes you want the element into a different position to give your design some sense of direction or some sense of deepness, okay? After, you can click, drag and drop in the case that you wish. You can change the position just like this, if you want to, or of course you can link, move, duplicate, and you can repeat the process with every single 3D element that you have present on Canva. The earth looks fancy, right? In the case that you want to move to a more specific, you can use the keyboard arrows, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!